Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about how to handle for web table or HTML table in our Selenium C Sharp. Okay, first of all, what is web table is nothing but a table which represent inside the UI with the table format of data. Okay, the data how it looks, right? Now this is the format of data. Okay, the table it is presented like this. Okay, the information will be presented. We need to verify the data when it is matched in the specific one. Okay, there are two type of web tables are presented in our automation side or UI anything. Okay, what are the two types is one is static table. Static table is nothing but it never change the values. It is a fixed amount of data will be presented in that particular table. It will be never change. Okay, and another one is pagination, that is called dynamic. We can able to call it as a dynamic. Okay, whenever you click these paginations, it will be change the data. Okay, we need to verify based upon the name or something. We can choose it and we need to do and click for this particular buttons. Okay, and real time maybe you can see there are now before one there are some greater than symbols and less than symbol after four. Okay, to click for next and previous buttons also will be presented. Okay, based upon their company requirement, they can able to develop these paginations. Okay, whatever they do it, the similar format of coding they are going to read. Okay, in automation. First, we'll see for static table. In the static table, what are the things we can able to validate? First of all, we can able to verify the how many header count. Okay, how many rows, how many rows we have and how many columns we have. We need to take it in a page. Okay, then we can able to verify a specific element in a specific location by using for hot coding the location number we are going to verify. And fourth cases we can able to print for all the row values. Okay, all row values we need to print. These are the sections we are going to do it now in this particular video session. Okay, now for this I'm going to use this one and I'm going to use for this one WebTable. Okay, and for this is my URL. Okay, and for this particular one I'm deleting this all the things, and this one also will remove. Okay, first we need to count for rows, right? How many rows count? Okay, we can able to print that rows count. How to take the row count? We can go ahead and take the XPath. Here the table name it is presented. Okay, they can see, right, table and T body and TRs are presented. Okay, in some of the cases in T header and TRs and TH only. Okay, TH is nothing but table header, and if you expand it to TD, TD means a cell value. TD means cell value. TH means header value. Okay, how we can able to read for TRs? Okay, first I'm going to take the path of this one. I'm using for CSS selector. Okay, I'm using for CSS selector. Now here name equal to and the double quotation I'm passing for my. Okay, this is complete table is highlighted. Okay, is followed by T body. T body. T body. Okay, and the T body we are following by TRs. Okay, 7 rows we have. Okay, 7 rows. For these 7 rows, we need to count and we need to display, right? Again, I'm going to take this, it will return for I list of web elements. That's why I'm going to use for I web elements. Okay, the name is, I'm going to mention is rows. Okay, driver dot of find elements, not find element because we are going to find the multiple elements. Because of that, I'm using for find elements. Okay, and CSS selector. Okay, because we use it for CSS selector as a param. Okay, now I'm save this one and console dot log. Sorry, Shit. Console dot write line. Okay. Rows count plus rows dot count. Okay, rows dot count. This count function it will return for how many it is there, that many it will returns. Okay, and we need to find the cell value. For the cell finding for we have for each time we have for headers, right? How many columns if you want means we can able to take the header count. If you take the header count, we can able to fetch that how many cell column values we have. Okay. Now same it will be written for web element. This is a columns driver dot find elements. Okay. By dot css selector and in semicolon and console dot write line columns count columns dot count. Okay. Now it will both the cases it will return for as expected. We can see now expanding for my test explorer. Now I'm running this one. It is opened and it's maximized and you can print it and see the value. See, 7 rows and 4 columns are present. Okay. Now we need to verify for specific element learning this one it is there, but I want to verify this one, right? Now how we can able to do and we can able to use for nth child one, nth child, and I'm going to use for one. Okay. So one is top. It is a 2 row, second row. Okay. And I'm going to TD. Okay. Nth child. I'm going to use for nth child one. You see, now the specific cell value we are able to read. I'm going to use for cell value. This is my cell value identification. Okay. From here, what I can do, right? Driver dot. This is a specific element, right? That's why I'm going to use was find element, not find elements. Dot CSS selector, and I'm going to use my CSS selector, and then we're going to use a semicolon. Okay, and here I'm going to use for string uh, text dot text. Okay, this test dot text we need to specify in the last. Okay, then only that it will return by this text. Otherwise, it will not return. Okay, console dot write line and text we can print. Okay, now again I'm running. We can mark it as a close as well. Driver dot quit. Now again I'm running. The learning Selenium is displayed. Even you can able to use for assertion. Assert dot is to equal. Then we can able to specify the value which we are expecting. Then it will provide you that as well. Okay. Like this, we can able to specific cell value. We can able to get it. Okay. And now I don't want to get the specific cell value, but uh, I want to print for all of them. Okay, how we can able to do it? For this, again, I'm going to use for loop. Okay, here there are two cases. Okay, what exactly, right? First, we need to take the rows count. Okay, and then we need to use for each term, we need to rotate for all the three values. Okay, all the three values. Then only we can able to print it, right? Then how you can able to do it, right? Where I equal to 2, because second row onwards I need to run. Okay, I is greater than or equal to rows dot count. Rows dot count. Okay, and plus plus. Why I am doing this one? Second row onwards we need to run. Okay, and also we need to equal that one, and we need to run how many rows we have, that many rows. Okay, that is the first formula. And but after first it is coming, I need to print for remaining all the values as well, right? Then how we can able to do another for loop we need to write. So this where j is equal to 1, j is greater than or equal to column dot count, because four columns we have, four columns wise we need to rotate. Okay, this is my formula. Then we need to use this particular specific code. Okay, and we need to specify like this, and we don't want to use this one dot click function. Sorry, so this one also text only, because we are going to get for each text, right? Where the value, I'm going to print for this one console dot write line. Okay, I'm going to cell value. I'm going to print for each cell value. I'm going to print. Okay, but if you put like this, we can get as a failure. To avoid the failure, we can able to use it like double quotation and double places, and here is a I. Okay, and here is again double quotations. These are the double places, and here J. What it is contains, right? It will go as a second row, and J value. It will J value four cell values. Four cell it will rotate. Four cells it will rotate. Four times it will get the text, and we can able to print it. Okay. Then we can console dot write line. I'll give some spaces, or we can provide the national space just for providing for each one has a some space, each row specifying some spaces purpose. Okay. Now again I'm clicking here. Now we can run. Now you can see all the row, all the values it will display. See now here, wherever it is space is there, each one have before separate. Okay. You can specify the lines. New line it will becomes and display. Right. Now we can see the lines difference also. The lines of each row we can able to get some space. See now first four and again space. Next four again space, again space. Like this we can able to get it. Even we can able to print for table format. That is little bit tricky. and we can able to do that as well, but we need to use for right. Comparing to right line, we need to use for right. Then only we can able to do that option. Okay. You can try with the table format of printing. In case if you are not getting, like comment it and I'll try to give you that as well. Okay. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.